turtle. Give him a few hours. He might move in a year or two.
No, he moves a lot more than this, really. I think he's dead. Does anyone know CPR?
Alex is a master of CPR.
Sorry about not putting my lips on that thing.
But we have to do something.
Are you sure he's dead?
Dead?
Wow.
How can you tell if they're dead? Turtles look dead even when they're alive.
Alex!
Let's take his pulse. How can you take his pulse? He doesn't even have a heart. Does he?
Actually, like most reptiles, except for crocodiles and their close relatives, turtles do have a heart, but with 3 chambers.
Frankie, Iris does not need an anatomy lesson. She needs a friend, especially considering this one might be pushing up daisies.
I'm sorry. I was just, yeah.
Do you really think he's dead? Because I've never seen anything dead before.
You're lucky. I saw my dad's aunt after she died. She looked way worse than that. Ooh, I saw a dead goldfish once. I took him out of the tank to see if he could bounce. He couldn't.
Sorry, Iris. He's history.